Hi, I'm Nate, product specialist from Heidolph North America, and today I'm going to show you how to install your Hei-VAP industrial inside an air clean 20-liter enclosure. Step 1, we're going to grab a drill or a Phillips head screwdriver and remove all of the screws with washers from the front door panel. That will allow us to pull the door out so we can move our industrial in. Now that all the screws have been removed, we're going to go grab a partner so we can move the door out of the way. So now that we've got the door removed, we're going to remove the top covers in our enclosure so that you can connect your ducts to it. We're going to do that using an 11mm socket. After removing the first air duct, we'll take the same steps to remove the second. Now that we've opened up the ports to connect our ducts to the enclosure, we can move our Hei-VAP industrial in. The enclosure has enough space to fit both the Hei-VAP industrial and a chiller with it. However, the typical use case is to work with just the Hei-VAP industrial inside the hood to maximize the space that you can operate at with it. Now that the Hei-VAP industrial is inside the enclosure, we're going to remove a couple of the back panels so we can feed the electrical through it. So now that we have threaded through our electrical cables, we're going to do the same thing with our chiller tubing. Now that our Hei-VAP industrial is installed within the hood, I want to mention that there is a service door at the back of the enclosure. This way you can get to the back of the unit without needing to pull it out of the enclosure. This is the back panel that you can remove to access the back of your Hei-VAP industrial. There are 4 screws in the corners that you may need to loosen slightly to give yourself a bit of wiggle room, but to remove the panel, you just lift up and pull the panel over the big screw holes, giving you access to the back. Now that we've got our electrical and chiller lines connected, we're going to put the front door back on our enclosure so we can begin operation. Once you have that door back in place, you can secure it using the same screws that you removed earlier on. Now that we have reinstalled the front door of our enclosure, our Hei-VAP industrial is ready for operation. There are 3 levels of sliding doors that allow you to access all portions of your Hei-VAP industrial. Thank you for watching the installation of our 20-liter enclosure. Again, I am Nate Kunzer, product specialist from Heidolph North America. And if you have any additional questions, feel free to reach out to me at the information below. Thank you.